Welcome back. Today, I'm showing you a professional welding secret that will transform your work. But first, look at this. Stop. Never weld like this. Simply joining the surfaces leads to weak penetration and a messy finish. This mistake can compromise the strength of your entire project. To get a weld that's fused from the inside out, you need the V-groove technique. Before you start, use your angle grinder to create a precise V cut along the joint. This creates a channel, allowing the filler rod to penetrate deep into the base metal instead of just sitting on top. It's the difference between a surface bond and a real structural weld. Now, watch the results. With that V-cut, the arc reaches the root instantly. Notice how the bead flows smoothly, filling the gap entirely for maximum strength and a clean profile. This is the professional standard you should always aim for. Remember, preparation is 90% of a great weld. Master this, and your joints will be unbreakable. If this tip helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more pro-level metalworking hacks. Happy welding!